everyone, I wanted to give you an update on the cantaloupe. Now, I think I got like 20 something beautiful sized cantaloupe out of my garden from 4 plants, and I still have probably 6 or 7 that are still growing. But as you can see, it's dying down and the seasons are changing. What I wanted to talk to you about is I think a lot of people get discouraged because the cantaloupe is ready at the same time. And then you give it away and people are like, why bother? But the thing is you don't have to. So in this video, I want to teach you how to dehydrate your cantaloupe so that you can enjoy it throughout the seasons, especially the winter. And by dehydrating it, this is 10 cantaloupe dehydrated. To show you the cantaloupe, I think it's August, middle of August, I don't know the date, but the cantaloupe are ready. And that's the only thing when you buy cantaloupe seeds, that when you buy young plants, that they're all going to be ready around the same time. So just imagine the smell of these beautiful ripe cantaloupes, and they're all over. So I'm going to pick them, probably eat some, and put them in the dehydrator so that I will have them throughout the winter months. So here's my cantaloupe, and I picked a few eggplant that I'm going to dehydrate. So stay tuned. Learn how to dehydrate it so you can enjoy it. Make snack packs with it. I'm going to be using my cantaloupe with peaches, raisins, and nuts. You can find a link to the snack pack below or above, whatever. So I just cut the cantaloupe in half, removed the seeds, cut off the rind, sliced it, put it on my dehydrator, I think for 135, and I think it took about 10 or 12 hours. So here is my dehydrated cantaloupe. Now I think there were 10 cantaloupes, and I think that they filled all 4 of my dehydrators. But I will not miss eating these all year long, and they smell absolutely phenomenal, and they're so good. I really enjoy my snack packs. So I feel a lot of people don't want to garden because when they see their fruit all come in at the same time, they don't really get to eat it. But my purpose of this YouTube channel, one of them, is to show you that you can have your food all year. Eat it and enjoy it. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to your comments. And if there's anything you would like to see, please leave a comment below.